Magandang araw! Ang EDFD 201 o Psychophilosophical Foundations of Education ay nais balikan at suriin ang mga pangunahing pilosopiya na nakakaimpluwensya sa larangan ng edukasyon. Sa pagtatapos ng klase, ang bawat isa sa amin ay napagnilay-nilayan ang pilosopiya na aming magagamit bilang maestra at maestro. Sa klaseng ito, natuto kaming maging independent learners. At, ang higit sa lahat, natuto kaming makisalamuha sa mga individual na may iba't ibang pinanggalingan. Ang nakakapanabik para sa aming lahat ay ang mga pangkatang gawain. Isa ito sa nais naming isakatuparan para sa sarili naming klase o bilang isang profesional. Lalo na makabago ang paraan ng pag-aaral ngayon.
Social media surprisingly work for us as a graduate student. We are being notified of the announcements and tasks to be accomplished. Communication with classmates becomes very personal and real. Submission of outputs had been transparent to the class, which helps us learn from each other. Posting questions and giving feedback had been effective, and it is very accessible and easy to use. In our class, we use Google Drive, Google Form, YouTube, Google Docs, Facebook, Zoom, Gmail, Jamboard, and Mentimeter. We can maximize social media use by using features like pages to broadcast updates and alerts.
Both asynchronous and synchronous activities tap out our higher order thinking skills. We are tasked to construct a detailed sentence outline and a lesson plan which focuses on developing the higher order thinking skills of the learners. In addition, activities like designing our own project-based assessment plan, service learning project plan, Madeline Hunter lesson plan, and 5E lesson plan sharpen our analytical, evaluative, and creative thinking skills. The asynchronous activities prior to the synchronous meeting allowed us to develop our independent learning skills. In this way, we were able to think of our thoughts and reflect on our experiences individually before sharing it to our group mates and come up with a synthesized answer.
So what helped us become engaged and motivated? The asynchronous task prepared us well for the lessons before attending the actual synchronous meetings. These include reading substantial supplementary materials, answering thought-provoking questions, and the use of varied apps. The group collaboration and the sharing of experiences allowed us to see the different perspectives, come up with commonality, and make sure that we are on the same page. During group reports, we were able to maximize the use of the chat box where we could freely throw in our questions and concerns and exchange our thoughts and ideas. The synchronous group activities at the end of every discussion gave us the opportunity to experience applying our learnings and had them validated as well.
Here are some of the tasks that work in our class. First is the asynchronous task. This prepares us so we won't come empty-handed in the synchronous classes. Listing of references and creating a review of related literature allows us to have a full grasp and understanding of the topics assigned to us. For the facilitation, we also created a lesson plan ahead of time. Feedback from our professor is really helpful. We learned how to facilitate in a remote learning environment. Synchronous task targets our critical thinking and really determines if we understand the lesson well.
Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa sobrang motivation na binibigay ng mga kagrupo ko. Ang dami kong natutunan mula sa kanila, mula sa mga discussion sa Facebook page, Zoom at mga group meetings. At finally, makakapagpasa na kami ng final output. Makapag self-care nga muna. Ayan, I'm done. Aral time. Ngayon, kailangan ko na lang i-upload sa aming G Drive ang aming final output. At tapos na rin kami. Yay!
In conclusion, may our experience inspire you to have meaningful learnings during this pandemic.